I recently travelled to Beverley to meet up with Martin Sadler from Dent Remover Limited, and together we created a training tutorial for how to repair this large dent damage on the Mercedes SLC rear wing. To find out more about getting started in the paintless dent removal industry, you can visit learnpdronline.com. We started by assessing the dent, checking for the various access points, and then running through the different options available to us in terms of how to start this repair, what tools, techniques and methods and equipment are available to really start moving some metal. Martin talked us through the pull tower and also some of the products available at CamAuto Pro. Just look at that metal move. This is a serious piece of kit, really starting to pull out the damage quickly. So a combination of using the pull tower on that midsection and the bridge for the left and right side of this dent, and we started to see the results. So we set up for our second stage of glue pulling, and once again you can just see that metal moving and being pulled out back into its original shape. So as this repair began to take shape, we were able to stop, discuss and reassess the next logical steps in our paintless dent removal process. Being able to gain access to some of the panel behind meant we could use Martin Sadler's very own hula hoop tool to start removing some of the damage from the inside. Taking on repairs like this really does put you through the paces as a PDR technician. It tests your skills, your knowledge and definitely your patience. So having the right mindset is key to succeeding in taking on a repair like this and seeing it through to the final stages. Along with discussing the repair itself, we also took the time to run through some of the products available within the CamAuto Pro setup. So to find out more from Martin, you can check out the links below this video to his website, his YouTube channel and also to the CamAuto Pro site itself. Now I had a lot of fun filming this with Martin and I'm already looking forward to the next time we can get together and start pulling out some dents. So if you'd like to learn more about getting started in the PDR industry, you can visit learnpdronline.com. Teaching you the skills you need to get started, launch and grow your very own PDR business. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one.